Strange fact you may not know. While working as a gold miner in Canada, a surprising discovery was made. A perfectly preserved mummified baby mammoth. The ancient creature's body, complete with intact skin and fur, left everyone astounded. What made this finding even more captivating was the revelation that this mammoth existed over 30,000 years ago, predating human presence in North America by 20,000 years ago. Intriguingly, signs of unusual bone fractures resembling human-induced injuries were detected, alongside remnants of primitive traps and weapons found near the mammoth's remains. This remarkable revelation challenges our understanding of history and raises questions about the past. It signifies that many events could have unfolded differently than we previously believed, making us reassess our knowledge of ancient times. This captivating discovery inspires us to delve deeper into the mysteries of the past. Strange fact you may not know. Did you know that many people worldwide claim to be mesmerized by the number sequence 1111? Some even become obsessed, considering it a mystical sign. This phenomenon is called the lure of the number pair 11. Those who experience it often glance at the clock precisely at 11:11 or notice this number pair on signs and milestones. However, psychologists explain that it's not a supernatural occurrence, but a psychological condition called apophenia. Apophenia makes us seek meaning from random repetitions in life. When we fixate on something, our brain assigns it importance, focusing our attention on it. Interestingly, some individuals never noticed the repetition of the number 11 until someone pointed it out. After watching this video, you may start seeing the number 11 everywhere. Discover the intriguing world of the number 11 and its hidden significance in your life. Strange fact you may not know. Prepare to be captivated by a mind-boggling experiment that will leave you intrigued. Imagine a regular cup, nothing out of the ordinary. Now, place it inside a larger cup. Next, I pour a translucent, viscous liquid into this seemingly ordinary cup. At first, nothing seems too exciting. However, the real spectacle begins when the liquid starts overflowing, like a magical act unfolding before your eyes. The cup begins to disappear gradually. This remarkable vanishing act is made possible by a plant-based substance called vegetable glycerin, derived from plant fats such as soybeans, coconuts, or palm oil. This extraordinary liquid possesses the ability to refract light precisely like glass. This property renders the cup nearly invisible. When submerged in glycerin, the cup, of course, is still there, but it's astonishing how effectively it conceals itself. Strange fact you may not know. There's a hypothesis that will make you question life. It suggests that different versions of yourself in the present, past, and future are all coexisting and communicating through memories. According to this hypothesis, your future self is observing your current version through recollections. Both versions are connected through subconscious memories. Similarly, your present self is also connected to your past version. According to this theory, when you regret something you've done in the past, it means that your present version is sending a signal to your past self, advising against doing it. That signal manifests as intuition, or a gut feeling about something about to happen, which your past self suddenly senses. So, whenever you have a bad feeling when making a decision, or you feel uneasy about a situation or someone, it's highly likely that your future self is regretting the decision to let that happen. Strange fact you may not know. Besides the Great Pyramid, the Sphinx stands as a captivating and enigmatic symbol of ancient Egyptian civilization. Famous author John Anthony West believes that the Sphinx was not built by the ancient Egyptians. According to his evidence, the weathering patterns on the Sphinx indicate that it is much older than previously known. While ancient Egyptians were indeed present 2,500 years before Christ, it is plausible that they did not create the Sphinx itself, but rather stumbled upon it. The heavily eroded and damaged head led them to restore it, transforming it into the head of a pharaoh. This explains why the Sphinx's head is disproportionately smaller than its body, an understandable solution to the extensive damage it endured. Notably, geological analysis both around and within the Sphinx has revealed an astonishing age of over 12,000 years, predating even the construction of the pyramids by more than 8,000 years. Strange fact you may not know. The enigma of pi, embracing infinity. Pi, an enigmatic number, is known as an irrational and transcendental value with an infinite and non-repeating decimal, beyond its conventional use in calculating circles. Pi holds a universe of mysteries. Its infinite sequence defies prediction, lacking any discernible pattern. Some scientists even believe that Pi's entirety cannot be contained within the vast expanse of the universe. For those daring enough to explore Pi's endless digits, unimaginable revelations may await. From the secrets of life's intricate designs to the cosmic wonders that shape our existence. However, decoding Pi's profound implications remains beyond our current capabilities. It remains a captivating enigma, one of the greatest mysteries in science. Nevertheless, Pi remains a fundamental pillar of mathematics, inviting us to unlock its boundless potential and embrace the infinite possibilities it presents. Strange fact you may not know: what happens when gold meets acid? While gold is known to resist oxidation and acid dissolution, aqua regia presents a different scenario. Aqua regia is a powerful mixture of concentrated nitric acid and hydrochloric acid combined in a 1:3 ratio. Alone, these acids cannot dissolve gold, but together they form a unique chemical environment. Nitric acid acts as a strong oxidizer, dissolving a small amount of gold to create gold ions. Hydrochloric acid contributes chloride ions, which combine with gold ions to form iron chloride ions, due to the equilibrium reaction with hydrochloric acid. All gold ions combine with chloride ions, facilitating the continuous oxidation of gold. This eventually leads to complete dissolution. Furthermore, free chlorine can further oxidize gold, enhancing its solubility in aqua regia. In this way, the gold will be dissolved. Strange fact you may not know: a material stronger than diamonds and is the thinnest and lightest substance on Earth. It's graphene. Its exceptional strength, discovered by Nobel laureates in 2010, surpasses wood and metal in weight, while outperforming steel by 300 times. Imagine this: place a 6.8-ton elephant on top of a pencil, and underneath that pencil is a sheet of graphene about the thickness of a carbon molecule. Surprisingly, the graphene sheet will not be punctured. But that's not all. By stacking approximately 300 layers of graphene together, astonishing feat becomes apparent: a bullet is entirely halted in its tracks, held back by the graphene shield. Astoundingly, despite its mere 100 nanometer thickness, a fraction of a standard paper's 100,000 nanometers, graphene defies conventional expectations, showcasing unparalleled resilience. With such extraordinary properties, there is no doubt that graphene is the material of the future. Strange fact you may not know: what would happen if we were in a state of sleep paralysis? Sleep paralysis occurs when you believe you have woken up from sleep and can hear and see everything around you. However, no matter how hard you try, your body remains immobile. Your consciousness becomes trapped in that state for minutes to hours. Those who have experienced this phenomenon often describe a feeling of an overwhelming presence pressing down on their chest, making it difficult to breathe. Scientists explain that disruptions in the waking process of the brain cause sleep paralysis. Although conscious, our consciousness cannot connect with our bodies, rendering us unable to control our movements. However, many people believe that scientific explanations cannot fully unravel the mysteries of this phenomenon. For instance, why can we see everything around us despite our eyes being closed? Or why do spiritual entities often appear during episodes of sleep paralysis? Strange fact you may not know: the Sahara Desert, known for its mystery and fame, remains largely unexplored by humans. Its scorching hot climate and barren landscape of endless sand have deterred exploration. However, few are aware that the Sahara was once a colossal, lush tropical forest over 10,000 years ago. It thrived with vibrant greenery and boasted the largest river system ever known. More specifically, this place also owns the largest freshwater lake that has ever existed on Earth. It's Mega Lake Chad. To comprehend its immense size, imagine combining the 5 largest North American lakes, spanning approximately 244,000 square kilometers. In contrast, Lake Chad encompassed a staggering 340,000 square kilometers. Archaeologists have uncovered artifacts from unknown civilizations that thrived in this fertile oasis. Sadly, these civilizations were wiped out,